In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag contacts, deals, organizations in Pipedrive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to apply clear, useful labels so you can segment your pipeline and find the right records fast. Labels in Pipedrive act like visual tags. They're great for marking priority, lifecycle stage, lead source, or any quick category you want to see at a glance. Because they're color-coded and searchable, they make it much easier to filter views, build lists, and keep your team aligned on what each record represents. Start by opening Pipedrive and heading to the Deals area using the left-hand panel. This takes you to your pipeline view, where you can see cards arranged by stage. Give this page a second to load fully so all your deal and contact details appear. If you work with multiple pipelines, make sure you're on the correct one so you're applying labels to the right set of records. Next, choose the specific record you want to tag. From the pipeline, select the person associated with a deal or open the deal itself to bring up its detail view. You'll see the key information for that record, including the header where labels are displayed. Opening the detail page is important because that's where the label control lives, and it ensures the tag applies to the exact record you're viewing. Look for the Add Labels option on the record. Click Add Labels to open the label selector. You'll see a list of available labels, often color-coded for quick recognition. Click the label or labels that best describe the record. Keep your choices consistent with your team's naming conventions so filters and reports stay clean. If your setup supports multiple labels, you can assign more than one to capture things like priority and source together. As you select labels, Pipedrive typically saves them automatically, so you don't have to hunt for a separate save button. If you change your mind, simply deselect a label to remove it. This same Add Labels workflow also applies to contacts and organizations. Once you open a contact or organization record, you'll find the same label area and can apply the appropriate tags the exact same way. After labeling, you can quickly spot these tags in lists and detail pages, and they become especially powerful when filtering your views or coordinating handoffs between team members. That's it. Click Deals on the left panel, open the specific record you want to tag, hit Add Labels, and choose the labels that fit. Use clear, consistent names, and you'll keep your pipeline and contact database neatly organized and easy to search.